In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check best-selling products on Shopify. We'll walk through exactly where to click in your Shopify admin, how to pull up the right report, and how to adjust the time frame so you can clearly see which products are performing the best. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. There, you'll see an option labeled Analytics. Go ahead and click on Analytics. When you do, a few more options will appear underneath. From those, select Reports. This is where Shopify keeps all of your store's detailed performance data. After you click Reports, you'll see a list of different report types. To make things easier, use the search bar at the top of the page. Click into the search bar and type Sales by Products. Shopify will filter the available reports for you, so you don't have to scroll through everything manually. From the search results, you'll typically see two options that are useful here: total sales by product and total sales by product variant. If you want a high-level overview of which products as a whole are selling the most, choose total sales by product. This will group each product together, no matter which size or color was sold. If you need a more detailed breakdown, for example, to compare which size or color is performing better within the same product, select Total Sales by Product Variant. Once you select your preferred report, Shopify will load a bar graph along with a table of data below it. At the top of each bar, you'll see the product title and the sales channel. The length of each bar represents the total sales amount for that product or variant. The longer the bar, the higher the sales. This visual makes it easy to quickly spot your best sellers and compare them at a glance. By default, Shopify often shows data for the last 30 days. If you want to change the time frame, look to the top left of the report, where you'll see a button currently labeled Last 30 Days. Click on that. A drop-down will appear with several preset options like Today, Yesterday, Last 30 Minutes, Last 12 Hours, Last 7 Days, and more. Choose whichever option best fits the period you want to analyze. If you need something more specific, you can also select dates directly from the calendar in that same dropdown. After picking your start and end dates, click Done at the bottom right of the dropdown. The report will refresh and update to show sales for the exact time frame you selected, letting you clearly see which products were your top sellers during that period.